Oh, what a beautiful day today in Colorado, 90 degrees, and we are under winter advisory, winter storm advisory. So all this tomorrow is gonna look a lot different. Gonna miss you, garden. I'm gonna cover these up. We picked everything. Got one pumpkin out of all that. And we got these burning sun with all the wildfires going on. It is crazy times, my friend, crazy times. So end of the season comes to a halt real quick when you get snow. Check out my little pepper plant. Oh, check it out. It was 90 degrees yesterday, and it is snowing today. We were supposed to leave for the Badlands, and this is screwing everything up because I don't know if we're gonna have enough time now. We had to book my wife's vacation a month in advance, and you can't plan the weather a month in advance, and this year has just ruined all of our trips. Something, pandemic, we were supposed to go to Southeast Asia, and then this trip, didn't see this coming. So, oh well, what you gonna do? You gotta roll with it, baby, roll with it. So it is snowing. Yeah, and I wanted to get a couple more weeks out of the garden, and I guess Mother Nature said, nope, this is 2020. Nothing's gonna be normal. We had wildfires. It looked like it was Mars here. We had ash falling like a volcano. Oh, I don't know what's gonna be next. I can't wait till it's over. A little bowl of tomatoes. I love this time of year. I wanted a little bit longer though. We have a bunch of cucumbers. I don't know where Madonna put them, but they're somewhere around. And here is my basil. Took it out of the garden and it is grand. I did not want to lose this, so I'm very happy about this, and it fit perfect in that pot. Basil. Every Italian has to have basil. Well, gang, I guess it is time to ride. This has been my saving grace through this whole time, and it's just been fun getting around and cruising. You know, that trip just was not meant to be. That snowstorm was right in the middle of it, so I take it as a sign. I guess we were not supposed to go on that trip, but it's a new day and new adventures, so I guess we're back to staying local and hunkering down for the fall, and hopefully we'll get up into the high country real soon. We'll get up there and check out the colors, see what we got after this snowstorm. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for spending a little time with Bo. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, see ya.